Water. We all depend on it to survive. We need it. We thrive on it. It's beautiful. It's calming and in every facet of our ecosystem. But do you actually know what's in your water? When's the last time you tested your water source? Is it safe? A person can drink over 14,000 gallons of water in a lifetime. Drinking water high in contaminants can lead to health issues and even a shortened lifespan. Have you been drinking unhealthy water all these years without knowing it? EnviroTestKits is an industry leader in drinking water testing technologies and is a division of Environmental Laboratories, which is one of North America's largest EPA-certified drinking water testing laboratories. With over 2 million water tests sold, we take pride in keeping your loved ones safe by alerting you about what's in your water to help you make the right decision on how to treat your home's specific water condition. Our Safe Home Test Kits analyze your water for a wide spectrum of contaminants, such as harmful bacteria, toxic metals, and cancer-causing organics. When you receive your water test kit in the mail, complete your registration and simply fill up the provided vials with your home's water and send the vials back in the prepaid mailer. Expect to receive your easy-to-understand lab report by email in just a few business days. We support the World Initiative for Cleaner Water, and for each Safe Home Kit purchased, we make a contribution to clean water organizations around the globe. We are passionate about our work and how our efforts help make the world around us a better place to live. We care about making our planet an environmentally safer place for all of our children's futures. 'Cause staying healthy is staying happy. EnviroTestKits. Our science, your peace of mind.